Following the police raid into the Marawaka block at 8 Mile this morning, 45 rounds of 9mm bullets and a large quantity of marijuana plants were discovered inside makeshift houses. 20 suspected individuals allegedly involved in the attack last night were rounded up and are now detained at the Saraga police station. The 3 officers who were attacked last night were in pursuit of a suspect believed to have been supplying illicit drugs. This image supplied by police shows the extent of injuries sustained by the officers last night. One police officer sustained a deep cut to his left palm when he placed his hand over his head to block off a knife swung at him. Another was hit with a car several times, and the third was beaten up by the public. The high-powered firearm which was stolen last night was retrieved this morning. Thekla Gunga, National MTV News.